Hey everybody, this is Jewelyn. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to my home here in Santa Monica and welcome to my bare face. It's so early in the morning. It's 8 in the morning on a Friday. I'm on day 31 of self-quarantine, so just imagine what life is like right now for me. I figure why not just film another hangout with me, because it's pretty much the only time I can leave the house is when I go to the post office to mail out plant orders. Right before I went to bed last night, 2 of my subscribers had purchased Hoyas for me, so that's pretty cool. I have them here, so I want to go ahead and pack them up, and then Ebby and I are gonna go to the post office and mail it out. And you guys can just come along and hang out with me. I don't know what traffic is gonna be like because I still see cars out and about, which is interesting. It doesn't look like that we are on lockdown, but I'm really excited to be able to ship off plants to more subscribers on the channel. Ebby, are you ready to mail out more plants? Yes. And then she wants to go for a walk, but she had a sore tummy last night, so I don't even know if she's gonna eat any breakfast. So I hope you guys enjoy this style of video, and let's just dive right into it. I'm going to use my upcycled paper products to mail them out, try to get it as late as possible. And I love being able to ship out plants the same day or the next day. I live just down the street from the post office, so it's very easy for me to go there. Kind of like the only outing I get to do while we're on lockdown. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you're interested in any of the plant babies in my collection, reach out to me, Planting with Jewelyn, on Instagram on a direct message. gosh, look at me. I have my hair up in my cat. I have gloves on and my mask because this is how we have to look like when we go out. I'm gonna handle. Yay. Now I can take off this glove. Alright you guys, so that is gonna wrap up today's video. If you're new, subscribe to both of the channels. You get a daily video Monday to Thursday, Friday, Sunday on the vlog channel. And thank you guys so much for supporting me. If you want to purchase plant babies from me, reach out to me in a direct message, Planting with Jewelyn on Instagram. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California, from Evie and I. Stay safe. Bye guys.